The era of the basic chatbot is officially dead. It is now 2026, and we are no longer just asking AI to write emails, we are asking it to run our lives, manage our businesses, and solve problems we didn't even know we had. But as we reach the midpoint of the year, one question dominates every tech forum and office break room: Claude 4 or Gemini 3? Both models are light years ahead of what we had just a couple of years ago, but they are built for very different people. Today, I'm going to break down which of these titans actually deserves your monthly subscription fee. Hey everyone, I'm Tim, and welcome back to Tim and the Machines. It feels like just yesterday we were impressed by simple text generation, but here in 2026, the landscape has completely shifted. Anthropic and Google have both released their flagship models for the year, and the competition is fiercer than ever. We've spent the last month stress testing both Claude 4 and Gemini 3 in real-world scenarios, from complex coding projects to real-time personal assistants, and the results might surprise you. Let's start with point number 1, the human factor and deep reasoning. If you're looking for the AI that feels the most like a brilliant, empathetic human collaborator, Claude 4 is the clear winner. Anthropic has doubled down on what they call constitutional intuition. This means Claude 4 doesn't just follow instructions, it understands the why behind your request. In our tests, Claude 4's ability to handle massive amounts of information, what we call the context window, is staggering. You can upload an entire library of technical manuals, and it won't just find a fact, it will explain the relationship between different chapters with a level of nuance that feels almost spooky. For writers, researchers, and developers, Claude 4 acts less like a tool and more like a senior partner who catches your mistakes before you even make them. Moving on to point number 2, the ecosystem and real-time action. This is where Gemini 3 starts to flex its muscles. While Claude is a brilliant thinker, Gemini 3 is a world-class doer. Because it's fully integrated into the Google ecosystem, Gemini 3 has a live pulse on the world that Claude simply can't match. We're talking about true multimodality. This means Gemini 3 can process video, audio, and live sensor data simultaneously. If you're wearing smart glasses or using your phone, Gemini 3 can see what you see in real time. It can help you repair a leaky faucet by identifying the exact wrench in your hand or translate a live conversation in a crowded room without any lag. It isn't just a tab in your browser, it is an invisible layer over your entire physical world. Point number 3 is all about efficiency and personalization. In 2026, we've moved past the one-size-fits-all AI. Gemini 3 uses a new architecture that makes it incredibly fast, almost instantaneous, which is perfect for quick tasks and on-the-go scheduling. However, Claude 4 has introduced personal memory vaults. This allows the AI to learn your specific style, your business goals, and your past preferences over months of interaction without ever compromising your privacy. Claude 4 gets smarter the more you use it, becoming a personalized version of itself that is unique to you. Gemini is better at knowing the world, but Claude is better at knowing you. So, what's the verdict for 2026? If your work requires deep focus, complex creative writing, or high-level strategic planning, Claude 4 is the most sophisticated mind on the market. It is the gold standard for quality. But, if you need an AI that lives in the real world with you, handles your navigation, manages your smart home, and reacts to live events as they happen, Gemini 3 is the ultimate lifestyle companion. Thanks for watching Tim and the Machines. We want to hear from you. Which side of the AI divide are you on this year? Are you Team Anthropic for that deep reasoning, or are you Team Google for the real-time integration? Drop a comment below and let us know which model you're currently using for your daily workflow. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on everything happening in this fast-moving world of 2026 tech. See you in the next one.